I've always wondered how you'd taste Margaret Dozier.
Dozier?
Not Dozier yet. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes Racy in the baby carriage. Unless he dies with you.
I don't know what you're talking about!
Your son! Don't you recognize your little boy? The seed of your stinking loins and his filthy friends bring me my death. Baby Marge.